Hello student. Today's topic is impact, which is part of kinetics of particle in unit number 6. Basically, impact is the direct contact of two body or the collision between two particles for a very short interval during which each particle are exert a forces on each other. Okay, in fact it's nothing but the direct contact of two body or collision between the two bodies for very short time. Some important terms used in the impact are as follows. First one is line of impact, central impact, direct impact, oblique impact, direct central impact, deformation, restoration, and time of impact. First of all, what is meant by line of impact? Okay, the common normal line to the plane of contact during collision or impact between the particle is known as the line of impact. That means this is nothing but the line of impact. Okay, line of impact is the line joining the centroids of two colliding particles. The line of impact is the line joining the two center of two colliding particles. Okay, next one is the central impact. If the mass of two centers of two bodies lie on the line of contact, is nothing called as central impact. Okay, third one is direct impact. If the velocity of both particles are along the line of impact, the velocity of both particles are along the line of impact, then it is said to be direct impact. Okay, in this the velocity, suppose velocity of b particle is ub and for this is ua. If the velocity of both particles are in line of impact or coincide with line of impact, then its impact is nothing but the direct impact. Okay, next, oblique impact. Same way, if the velocity of particles in oblique or in inclined direction or not along with the line of impact, simple way, oblique impact is defined as the velocity of one or two bodies particle are not along the line of impact, then it is known as oblique impact. Okay, next one is direct central impact. Okay, direct central impact is the collision between two bodies during which the mass of center of bodies are located on line of contact or line of impact. This is point is nothing but the line of contact and this line is line of impact. Okay, in direct central impact, the velocity are acting along the line of impact. Okay, in direct central impact, velocity are also acting in the direction of line of impact. Next one is deformation. What is meant by deformation? During the impact of body or both the bodies, these bodies undergo some changes in their shape and size. Okay, due to the impact of two body, the body changes its shape and size. This is nothing but the deformation. Okay, similarly, the restoration is immediately after the deformation, both the body tends to regain their original shape and size. Restoration means after deformation, both the body are coming to their original size and shape, is nothing but the restoration. Okay, this process of restoration continues for very short time or very short interval of time. This time is nothing but the time of restoration. Okay, next, time of impact. The addition of time of deformation and time of impact is nothing but the time of impact. Sorry, here is addition of deformation time and restoration time is the time of impact. Okay, now next part is the coefficient of restoration. It is denoted by letter small e. Let's suppose two body moving with velocity v1 and v2. In this, v1 is greater than u2.